Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can get AP key and connect Google AI Studio to Firebase. So basically, first of all, go to AI Studio and then click Get IP Key, and right here click on Create IP Key, and you can name your IP key. So right now I will name it Guide to Everything. And you can select a cloud project right here. You can create a project or select from your projects. So I will select my Guide to Everything project and click on Create Key. Right now it will generate me a key. As you can see, I got my key, and now what I can do is copy IP key like this. And now if you go to the Firebase Studio, and if I go to my project and I will click on the project, it will eventually load up. And what you'll need to do is go right here and switch to code. You'll need to wait a little bit again. Now go right here and click on gear icon and click on settings and type in the settings IP like this, API, and right here you'll see Gemini API key, and just paste your API key like this, and basically you will be good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.